Good morning. Good morning, Mango. Mango's taking his morning swim. Can you show us how you swim? You have your toys in the water with you. Oh, there goes Blueberry. Blueberry just landed on Mommy's head. Yeah, you want to go swim too. Okay. Mango's on top of Chickadee, his favorite toy. He rolls and rolls. You're going to roll him off the coffee table. Okay. Let's play in the water. Can you show us how you swim? Blueberry was swimming in the kitchen sink just before, but Mango prefers it on top of the coffee table. Are you having a powwow of what you're going to do? Yeah, Blueberry. Yeah, Blueberry said, I'm going to try first then. There goes Blueberry. Blueberry's cere is turning blue again. Yeah, something with the hormones fluctuating. He's very active. He just finished a molt. Now he's getting all the pin feathers and swimming a sink with them. Because they get really itchy when they molt. Are you done with the water? The water is going to get cold. You want to come play? Come. Blueberry, you landed on Mommy's head again. Come on, go play with the water. Go play. Good boy. See? Blueberry knows how to play with the water too. Mango, you want to come? You didn't have much of the water. Yes, Blueberry playing. Blueberry playing with the water. He's going swim. Blueberry likes to go in the sink, and when the water is coming down, dripping all over him, he goes right underneath the stream. Now he's enjoying the water on the coffee table just like Mango. Come on, Mango. Want to come join Blueberry? There goes Blueberry. Yeah, it feels good after all that molting and all the shedding, right? And all those little pin feathers, and you got these little dander coming off of you. A good swim. Come on. There you go. You gonna dry off? You gonna dry off? It looks like Blueberry wants to dry off. How about Mango? You didn't get into the water that long. You wanna play with the water? Yeah, you didn't even get wet. You did not even get wet. Come on. There goes my two boys. See, Blueberry cere is getting blue again. Very good. Ah, now I see your belly's wet. You had enough of the water. Okay, time to air dry. Time to air dry. Oh, time to preen him. Oh, thank you, Blueberry. Thank you. Can Mango say thank you, Blueberry? After a bath and playing in the water, Mango needs somebody to preen him in the face. Come on, Blueberry. Your services are needed. Good boy. Yes, you two are good brothers. You help each other out. Yeah, that feels good, right? You trust each other enough to let each other groom the face in the area that's most vulnerable. Trust is everything. Oh, that feels good, Mango says, huh? Yeah, it feels good. Yeah, Blueberry said, I gotta do myself too. But thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, you want to do me too? You can do Mommy later. Thank you. You're so generous. Okay, that's the camera. Okay, you want to help Mango? Oh, you gotta help yourself. Mango's pushing him. He's like, I want more. See? To my face. Blueberry said, I gotta do myself. Okay, Mango first then. Oh, what a nice boy. What a nice brother. Mango is really enjoying this. From the right side of his face to the left side. Very good, Blueberry. You're doing a good job. Can Mango say thank you? Oh, you gotta thank your brother. Say thank you. Want some more? You want Mommy to do it too? You only want Blueberry. Yeah, since Blueberry's preening him, Mango doesn't want Mommy to touch his face. Yep, he got somebody better. All right. Until next time. Bye.